sa kabuuan ng ebidensya, makita ang hindi lang mga simpleng irregularidad ang nangyari.
Objection, Your Honor.
Malinaw
Again,
ito.
objection, Your Honor.
Honorable
Ang
De Lima, I would have to
sistematikong
stop
paraan.
you.
This is out of
I would have
line.
to stop you at this point. The continuing objection of the respondent is duly noted. I would have to stop you at this point.
And I have to
my
stop
due
now.
apologies, but kindly call your witness already.
Eto mga kababayan, tila napahiya ng husto itong si Leila de Lima matapos pansamantalang pinatigil ni Senate Impeachment Trial Presiding Officer Francis Chis Escudero ang opening statement ni Prosecutor at Representative Leila de Lima kaugnay ng Article 1 ng impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte na tumatalakay sa usapin ng confidential funds. Sa pagpapatuloy ng impeachment trial nitong Miyerkules, Hulyo 29, nagtaas ng pagtutol si Defense Counsel Michael Poa matapos umanong maglahad si De Lima ng mga pahayag na maituturing na conclusions of fact and law na ayon sa depensa ay tila naghahatid na ng paghatol laban sa akusado bago pa man maipresenta ang mga ebidensya at mga saksi. Sumang-ayon si Escudero sa pagtutol ng depensa at ipinaalala ang naunang kasunduan ng magkabilang panig na iwasan ang mga pahayag na maaaring magmukhang paghatol sa kaso habang nagpapatuloy pa ang paglilitis. Idiniin din niya na ang mga aligasyon ay dapat mapatunayan sa pamamagitan ng mga testigo at ebidensyang ihaharap ng prosekusyon at hindi lamang sa mga pahayag ng kanilang mga abogado.
Counting mistake. The evidence will reveal a pattern, a systemic course of conduct that, taken as a whole, demonstrates graft and corruption
Your Honors,
and betrayal of public trust.
With the permission of the Honorable De Lima, yes, Counsel for
Your Honors,
Respondent.
again, Your Honors, I think we have to object to the statements being made by the Honorable De Lima, with all due respect, of course. Your Honors, they can do that through the offer of their evidence, Your Honor.
Chair will instruct the
this is
Honorable De Lima
another-
to kindly limit her statements. I was listening intently in the beginning. It was okay, Honorable De Lima, but later on, you did make conclusions of law already, which the chair orders to be stricken from the record. You may wind up, Honorable De Lima, but kindly avoid conclusions of fact and law.
Your Honors, please, if I may just be given just
Yes,
a few seconds. Your Honors, ang naging problema natin nung huling pagkakataon na pinayagan natin yung ganitong statement at sinasabi na nga ng presiding officer is kahit naman i-strike off the record natin, narinig na po at nasabi na. So to allow, Your Honors, again, a continuation of such is really goes into the matter of fair play, Your Honor.